Hi, I'm Susan. Today I'm participating in week 14 of the Margarete Miller Challenge. And this week's prompts are a ribbon, a plant, and I've got these stickers and these, and I'll see which ones I'll use. I need splashes and splotches, which I've got paint and things like that. Sheet music, and the bonus this week is a piece of sewing pattern, but I don't have any of that, so I'll have to skip the bonus this week. So I hope everyone's doing well, and without further ado, let's get started. this is it. I have to say this is a little busier than my normal thing, and I like it, but it's not my favorite. But I have all my prompts except for the bonus. I didn't have any sewing pattern, but I've got ribbon, I've got plant, person, I've got splashes and splotches, and I've got sheet music. I also used some washi tape, some butterflies, and some of my gel print paper. And I do like it. I think adding a border around the sticker helped bring it in. It was kind of a little busy for me. But I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't. Ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. And until next time, bye y'all.